Now, going over to Maharashtra, which sees no respite from coronavirus cases, no end to the war between parties as well. The war between BJP and Shiv Sena only escalating, just like the cases of coronavirus. Shiv Sena MP now, Sanjay Raut, has hit out at the BJP's demand for a governor's rule. In a tweet, Sanjay Raut has called for immediate quarantine of those opponents and said that their attempts to stabilize Maharashtra government will fail. This comes after senior BJP leader and Rajya Sabha MP Narayan Rane met with Maharashtra Governor Bhagat Singh Koshyari just yesterday and demanded for precedence rule in the state. Rane, a former chief minister, alleged that Uddhav Thackeray has failed in containing coronavirus cases in the state. Meanwhile, Inside Scoop of India Today reveals that dissent has also been brewing within the Mahaghadi alliance. Sources have said that there has been disagreements within the cabinet regarding the lockdown measures. Many NCP MLAs wanted opening up of lockdown. However, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray hasn't really been in favor of it. MLAs have also complained of Uddhav Thackeray being incommunicado at many times. Just yesterday, finally, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray held a meeting with NCP Chief Sharad Pawar there.
त्या महाराष्ट्राची कोरोना संबंधीची परिस्थिती जी आहे दिवसेंदिवस गंभीर होत चाललेली आहे. रुग्ण वाढतायत, मृत्यू वाढतायत. माननीय राज्यपालांनी या गोष्टीकडे गांभीर्याने पाहावं आणि महाराष्ट्र किंवा मुंबईत होणारे मृत्यू थांबवावेत या दृष्टीने प्रयत्न करावेत. महानगरपालिका आणि राज्य शासनाची हॉस्पिटल आहे ती लष्कराच्या ताब्यात द्यावी तरच काय परिस्थिती सुधारू शकते असं मला वाटतं. या सरकारची कोरोनाशी सामना करायची क्षमता नसल्याने या सरकारला आता नारळ द्यावा आणि राष्ट्रपती राजवट आणावी.
Let's quickly go over to Kamlesh Sutar joining us live from Mumbai. Kamlesh, just like the rise in coronavirus cases in Maharashtra, we're also seeing dissent and animosity brewing within the BJP as well as the alliance partners. That's quite natural as the opposition and the ruling parties. But within the cabinet itself of the ruling government there, we're looking and hearing about a lot of dissent and miscommunication. The chief minister allegedly is half the time missing when many of those cabinet members want, these are allegations, many cabinet members wanting to speak to him, he's incommunicado. Could you bring us details on what's really happening there within the cabinet, and are they in trouble currently owing to the rise in coronavirus cases resulting in lack of coordination?
Well, as you mentioned, Nabila, two types of conflicts here. One, the opposition and the ruling party, obviously, and also a brewing. There's a brewing content between the Mahavikas Aghadi as well, not just the NCP, but there are certain Congress leaders also who are not, who have expressed their reservations over their role in the cabinet. Especially, some Congress leaders feel minimalized. They have minimal role in the cabinet. That is what they say, and it only appears to be a government of Shiv Sena and NCP are running together, especially given the fact that senior Congress minister and former Chief Minister Prithviraj Chavan last week made a statement that created a lot of controversy, saying that this is the government of Shiv Sena and not Congress. So that perhaps would lead to some more problems. But however, NCP Supremo Sharad Pawar, who is directly indirectly the steering member of the Mahavikas Aghadi, he met with Uddhav Thackeray. They had a 1.5 hour long discussion to discuss not just the internal conflict, but also the way the opposition has been demanding precedence rule, alleging that the state government hasn't been able to handle the corona situation. It now appears that there could be some changes that the Mahavikas Aghadi could be working on, especially all the complaints that the MLAs and some senior minister has are likely to be addressed by none other than the chief minister himself. But till that time, we'll have to, we will witness a certain skirmishes like this in days to come.
Thank you very much, Kamlesh. Let's quickly go over to reactions coming in on this. Let's take a listen.
शासन लागू करने की बात मैंने तो किसी के मुंह से सुने नहीं.
नारायण राणे कह रहे थे कल.
मैं बीजेपी के नेताओं की बात कर रहा हूँ. जो बीजेपी के नेता है, जो संघ परिवार से जुड़े, मैं उनसे उनके बारे में मैं बोल सकता हूँ. हाँ, तो मैंने तो देवेंद्र जी से ये बात नहीं सुनी. मैंने अमित शाह साहब से ये बात नहीं सुनी. मैंने और जो उनके नेता है नितिन गडकरी जी, उनसे बात नहीं सुनी. तो मैं कैसे विश्वास कर सकता हूं?
लेकिन पवार साहब संतुष्ट नहीं है सरकार के
पवार
प्रयासों से।
साहब सबसे ज़्यादा संतुष्ट है सरकार के काम के बाद, ये सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे मालूम है। पवार साहब संतुष्ट।
लेकिन जिस सुबह वो राज्यपाल महोदय से मिलते हैं,
राज्यपाल
उसी
महोदय
शाम
से हम भी मिले हैं।
उसी शाम
देखिए, राजभवन का एक ऐसी जगह है, लोग वहाँ जाना पसंद करते हैं और राज्यपाल साहब भी सबको बुलाना पसंद करते हैं। वहाँ की खान पान सेवा भी बहुत अच्छी है। आजकल बाहर सब कुछ बंद है, आपको मालूम है।
लेकिन
वहाँ ठीक से चाय
लेकिन
पानी होता
सरकार
है।
को कुछ धोखा नहीं है।
सरकार को 1% भी धोखा नहीं। अगर होगा, जो सरकार को धोखा देने की कोशिश करेंगे उनको सबसे बड़ा धोखा होगा।
राष्ट्रपति राजवट अगर लागू होती है तो क्या महाविकास आघाड़ी तैयार है उसको
देखिए, राष्ट्रपति राजवट का सपना मत देखिए। अगर कोई देखता है ना तो वापस वो जग नहीं जाएगा, वो सपने में ही रहेगा।
सर, गुजरात का आपने उदाहरण दिया था, वो वापस कर दोहराइए।
राष्ट्रपति राजवट की अगर बात कोई करता है तो सबसे फिट केस है तो गुजरात स्टेट है। अब देखिए, अहमदाबाद के हाईकोर्ट ने, गुजरात के हाईकोर्ट ने वहाँ के तैयारी के बारे में क्या स्ट्रिक्चर पास किया है वो देख लीजिए। यहाँ के जो हमारे मित्र है भारतीय जनता पार्टी के, चाहे फडणवीस साहब और पूरा वो जो जजमेंट है गुजरात हाईकोर्ट का, वो देख लीजिए।
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.